Hi everybody. Okay, we got a new project. This project it's got an SD card and it's reading the temperature and humidity from a DHT11, which is it's a temperature and humidity sensor. It's called a DHT11. Okay. It's on a Arduino Nano, okay, and I will set the codes. I will explain where the pin mapping or pin numbers are. Okay, so what it does, let's go to the codes. I set it up here originally 5 minutes, which is 300,000 seconds. But now I brought it to just a minute. So, and this is what it shows here. So now it says SD card ready, temperature 24.10 centigrade, humidity 73. Write to SD card, write successful. Read the temperature again, and as you see, it's clean. Every SD card ready, and then I don't have to take the card out and show you because I already checked it, and it does print. So, and you can test it yourself. It's a very simple little exercise. I found that actually the SD card works better with Arduino. I don't understand why. It doesn't seem to work well with ESP32, or maybe I do something wrong then, not so sure. Or even ESP8266 seems to have all this problem, particularly with certain item, like in this case SD card or potentiometer. Potentiometer, same problems, never balanced, but in any case, yeah, the ESP it's different, and also hasn't got analog. Maybe that is a problem, but in this case the card works beautifully here. There you are, you can see this is every minute. I set it up originally 5 minutes, but it takes too long for the video. But you can put any type of information. In this case it's reading. You can also put those probes that you put inside the plant to manage the plant light and the plant water. Okay, so that's another experiment that can be done. Okay, so this is the card. You need your SPI wiring because you got quite a lot of wire, and this is practically the same principle as the one before, because I've got another video. Okay, so let me see, this one is okay, so which one? Sorry. So the chip select is number 10. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so we'll have the green one, CS, goes to number 10, pin 10. It's actually D10. Then you have the clock, which is the blue one, and goes to 13, pin number D13. Then you have the MOSI and MISO, which goes, MOSI goes to number 11, and MISO goes to number 12. Okay, then you have a VCC and ground. Okay, so practically it's 5-volt railing, so the VCC and ground on the railing. This is 5-volt and the ground railing. The DHT11, which is connected also to the ground railing and VCC 5-volt, and the pin number 2. Okay, so I will put an explanation as well on the YouTube channel, but here it's the way it works. I'll set it up as I said. You can change, you can put 1 minute, you can put 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever you want. And this is practically print all the function. Serial print read temperature, serial print temperature. This is the temperature that comes from the sensor, and this is the printing of the value. And here it's the same. It's humidity, which brings forward, read the humidity from the sensor and bring it forward in text. Okay. Okay, so this is all the other serial code. Write to SD card time, the SD card ready, current time, divided by 1000. It works in millisecond. Here's the temperature, serial print, humidity, and so on. Write successful, SD write failed, if in case it failed, but it hasn't failed. So there we are. That's the code. Chipset select. All you need here is it's the CS, which is pin number 10. That's it. The time. And yeah. Okay, and your library, DHT.h library, you go here to type the library. Okay, so in this case you want DHT. So if you type here DHT 11, yeah, I don't need 11 because it works as well. It works with the DHT11. Okay, there is quite a few different DHT. Okay, so yeah, this is also tiny DHT, something else. Okay, so in any case, you found the library here, DHT library, DHT, it's all different type of DHT. That's the one that you need. It's, well, they have 22, 20, 12, there it is, DHT11 sensor. Install, but I use the normal DHT which come there, this one. But it's okay, guys, so there we are, and this is the way it works, and it's reading the temperature. So the last temperature, I can also put a date stamp and time stamp if you want. We can do that, not a problem. So there we are, and read both temperature and humidity and print it forward. Okay, I don't think I have much to, and there it is. Okay, so well, guys, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this. Please give me a thumbs up. Have a good day. Ciao.